What's new in AOSP Extended version 8.3 official build based on Android 11 running on the Xiaomi Poco F1? Hey peeps, what's up? Punchy here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you what is new in AOSP Extended version 8.3 official build based on Android 11 running on the Xiaomi Poco F1. First change, of course, is that the security patch has been updated to June 2021. The kernel they're using is Shiva's no-name kernel. SE Linux, of course, is set to enforcing. Now those of you who are looking for install videos and videos on previous builds, all of those can be found in the description of the video. Next up, you will notice you now have the option of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth timeout. So let me go into network and internet, go into Wi-Fi one more time, and then if I go into the Wi-Fi preferences, you will notice you have the option to turn off Wi-Fi automatically after whatever duration you choose over here. And similarly, if you go into settings, connected devices, you have the same option for Bluetooth as well, named Bluetooth timeout. Next up, if I press and hold on the home screen, go into styles and wallpapers, you will notice that you do have the new June drop pixel wallpapers. And other than that, the change log also mentions that they have added some more new lock screen clocks, but they do not mention which ones they have added, so I can also not tell you which ones they have added, but I think it might be the Spectrum one, but again, don't take my word on it. And before I forget, I am running the vanilla build with Nix stock G apps on top, and select and screenshot are working without any issues. Next up, if you go into settings and then if you go into display and go into lock screen, you should have a new toggle to show always on display when the device is charging. Next up, if we go into settings, extensions, quick settings panel, go into notifications, scroll down, bam, here it is. You now have the option of ambient edge lighting once you enable this toggle. And if you tap on ambient edge lighting, you do have multiple customizations, whether you want to see it on always on display or not, what is the duration, the repeats, the timeouts, and yes, you can choose a custom accent color as well. Still in extensions, go into quick settings, scroll down, and bam, here it is. You can now change the number of rows and columns of your quick settings panel in both the landscape and in portrait mode, and you also have a toggle to enable or disable the title in case you want to enable or disable them. Then if you go into the lock screen option and go into lock screen UI, you do have a new toggle to display the lock icon on the lock screen in case you want to enable or disable the status bar on the lock screen, and you also have a slider for the background blur for the lock screen, and you also have double tap to wake on those. So all these new features have been added to the lock screen section. And if you go into system, then into buttons, bam, here it is. You do have the new volume steps option as well, so you can configure the volume steps for alarm, DTMF, media notification, ringer, system, and voice calls. Another thing we can check is whether Hey Google is working or not. So as you can see, it works with the screen turned on. Let me turn the screen off. Hey Google lady, are you awake? Yep, as you can see, the Google lady is awake and the feature is working with the screen turned on and with the screen turned off as well. Next thing we can check for is safety net. So of course my device is not rooted right now, only installed Magisk Manager or the Magisk app to check for safety net. It is passing out of the box. Let us open the Google Play Store as well, and then we can go into the Play Store settings. Play Protect certification device is certified. This means you should be able to use your banking apps without any issues. In terms of YouTube media playback, everything works absolutely fine. Live caption, picture in picture, sound, all of those features work without any issues. Of course, for picture in picture, you either need to have YouTube Premium or you need to be in a specific country in case you do not want to pay for YouTube Premium. Widevine L1, not even going to check that because it has been broken on the Poco F1 for ages, and you can blame Poco India for that. Next thing, let us also go to the Photos application, and as you can see, I am getting either original quality or storage saver. So yes, with the June drop, you do have storage saver. Let me confirm that, and then you can try to edit a picture to see if the portrait light feature is available or not. So Go back, try to edit it one more time, wait for this loading bar to finish, and once that is done we can go into adjust. Here it is, portrait light feature in the building, working without any issues. Important thing to note over here is that it only works when you have a human object. So if I try to edit a picture of my chicken friend, even if I do it 2 times, I do not even get the loading bar, which means it is not going to work on non-human objects. Then we can have a look at the app opening animations to see if there is any jitter or any lag in the UI. Well, certainly no jitters and no lags so far. Recents again, super fast and super smooth. Let us try to access the Google feed as well, and again no jitters, no lags in the Google feed either, and switching back from the feed to your home screen is also pretty smooth. Let us try to switch between a few applications. Again, no jitters and no lags. Now those of you who want to see some lag, let me bring out my Poco X3 Pro running at 120 stock MIUI 12.5.1, and let us give this one a try. So here it is, access the Google feed, and when I go back it goes back in slow motion. So that, my dear friends, is what I call lag in the UI in MAME UI. So yeah, we should be very thankful to the developers who are bringing us awesome custom ROMs for the Poco F1. And there it is, peeps. That is what was new in AOSP extended version 8.3 official build based on Android 11 running on the Xiaomi Poco F1. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.